Hi there. Welcome to problem 6 of the Essentials playlist. This is Soman and you're watching the Genesis YouTube channel. Today's problem involves a block hung from a moving pulley. The problem goes like this. A uniform pulley of radius r can rotate freely about a horizontal axle as shown in the figure. A string is tightly wrapped around the pulley and its free end carries a block of mass m. When the block is at a height h above the ground, the pulley is made free to rotate and the block is allowed to fall. And at the same instant, the axle is moved up by keeping it horizontal at all the times. When the block hits the floor, the axle has gone up by a distance of 2h. Find the angle by which the pulley must have rotated in this time. Assume no slipping between the string and the pulley. I suggest you pause the video and try to do it on your own. It is a very straightforward question, but you do need to be careful. We now go ahead with the solution. The situation is shown in the frame of the pulley. With respect to the pulley, the block moves a distance 3h, and as there is no slipping between the string and the pulley, the angle rotated by the pulley is nothing but 3h by r. And that's your answer. This wasn't a difficult problem, but most students get this wrong in a hurry. I hope you like the problem and solution. Keep watching the Essentials playlist for more such problems that every physics problem solver must do. JEE aspirants can also watch the Solutions to JEE Advanced 2020 playlist. We also have a playlist called the Problem Corner, in which we discuss unique problems with ingenious solutions. The links to this playlist are given in the description below. And finally, if you like the content, like, subscribe and share widely amongst your friends. Till the next video, stay safe and stay healthy you all.